Yeah, I'm starting to spitting out flames like. Oh.
Everyone's running over.
Yeah, I told you, that's what I'm saying, it's just madness. Alright guys, we have finally made it to God knows where. We're at a service station right now and we are getting ready to go to Bimmerfest.
Where do you go when you're young, when you're restless, when you're fun, cause you're desperate? Oh, here they come for a chance, for adventure. What's your poison, what's your pleasure?
Speed demons out here. This is honestly the baddest M2 I've ever seen. And I think it's the only M2 with that type of carbon splitter. It's good, I like the colour. So I can imagine that carbon bits with that. So if you do it like that, then maybe. But if I'll be honest, this with red lights, instant Darth Vader's vehicle. Darth Vader here, you can be a Jedi. You have no idea. You have no idea how crazy this looks.
Carbon ceramics, everything.
Yeah.
What's that?
This one was the M Performance exhaust.
No, it's just the tips.
Oh, that misleading me. And we're all ready to go. I need to clean my screen as well. Going anywhere.
Do you think it's a local boy?
Must be. He's one that actually looks kind of
He's a local boy. Let him lead.
What?
Let him.
They're doing launch control and
Laat mij afgaan die onder. Geen computer erin.
Yeah, boys. What you saying, bro? Clean. going on here? Is your car too loud? Freaking almost blew my eardrums, mate.
I love that. I don't have that at all. Mine just has one bang and it never flames like that.
Your one does flames when you do it, when you drive. Yeah. But that's because you got the skill for it, isn't it?
I found a way to.
Yeah. Do I get to drive back?
I know. Maybe.
So, Mr. Josh, come and tell my fans a little something about Bimmerfest, how it's been treating you so far.
Yeah, good.
Tell them about your little bad experience and your good experience. Go on.
I'm not going to talk about it.
Yeah, you know.
Nothing happened.
Nothing happened, yeah?
For reasons. Nah, car's all good.
Cars are good.
No, I really enjoyed
But
it.
how about our colleagues on the way here?
Oh man, yeah.
That was a bit stressful, wasn't it? No, I wouldn't name and shame them right now.
Going a bit quick.
You chameleon wrapped your one.
Yeah.
You see the amount of attention you get. I've seen you in my rearview mirror, yeah? His rearview mirror. You look mean.
Yeah.
I was like this. M cars just look mean regardless. You can't
That's
get.
why I like
you
the
can't
M3
get.
and M4, like,
Yeah.
I can never go Mercedes now after owning an M4.
Thank you. That's the same problem with me because as some people don't know yet, but they will soon when I upload the video before. I stacked my M4. Yeah. My M4 got written off, so I'm gonna get a new one now.
Yeah.
But I'm contemplating between getting a convertible or that.
If you want speed.
I'll let you decide because remember this, I had a competition pack. So your one's a standard one, right?
You've got to go M4 coupe again.
Yeah.
Competition pack.
Once you drive a competition pack, driving this.
Yeah. If you want to like look a baller with the roof down, which is hard to do anyway.
In London.
Yeah.
Maybe here is alright though.
Maybe here. Good stuff. No worries.
How many times do you actually go to the track? Because that's when you can really experiment.
I use mine on a track about twice a year.
Twice a year, yeah?
Twice a year.
I've never taken mine on track.
Hold on, wait. Mr. Job Webster, yeah? Professional race car driver for Porsche, I'm guessing. See you uplifting your wheels all the time, yeah, on that board.
Jumping over curbs,
Jumping over, crashing.
Yeah.
How the hell have you not taken down that beast on the track?
It's not until you ever experience a race car that you realise just how
That's
shit
the
road cars are. Like,
yeah.
I've even gone past like 918s, Koenigseggs, everything on track, and the cup car just blitzed everything.
Yeah, because a cop car is basically a monster.
It's a race car.
Yeah. I'll never buy that M5 if you can't put carbon. Because to be honest, when I bought my one was completely bone stock. I had to put carbon, everything.
Carbon and anything, other stuff.
Yeah. We're gonna get in trouble!
Hey, check out DBTV.
Yeah, now you're driving an M3 that looks sick. It has a Remus
Exhaust decat straight pipe.
straight pipe. Does it have a stage or anything yet?
Well, you gotta check out the videos for that.
Oh, some hot juice happening right here, boys. So we've got to go check him out, find out what is under his hood and let me know. Because why not?
Yeah man, there's a case. I'll catch you in a couple of hours. Ciao!
Look, he even has a custom key. What the hell?
Yeah, so as you can see.
That is like, I don't care what anyone says. The next car I buy, I am gonna wrap my key as well because that just makes it feel so much special.
Yeah.
If you don't mind asking me, how did you get it done? Wrap or paint?
Wrap. X car wrapping. Find them on YouTube.
What? Where they're based?
They're based in Rotterdam.
No.
Based in Holland, and they do some mental work. And he's actually going to, by the looks of it, from my video, if it gets so many likes, he'll be wrapping this car next year.
Ooh, that.
Any
sneak previews or any little hints?
To be honest, I'm going to give him the car and let him do what he wants.
Let's go.
Carbon.
Oh, is it me or do everyone sit so forward or like? Can I move back?
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, this is my driving
Gangster
style.
like.
It's not gangster.
See guys, he's that guy that drives past you and you think, look at him there, he's got his hand on the top. Look, if you close the door, can't even see him.
You can't see me. Oh damn, I don't have this, you know.
Yeah, you got extras. Got lane assist, line, and well, more lane assist. There's a little button here that maybe he doesn't have as well.
I don't have that either.
Heated steering wheel for the winters.
I always wanted that.
That is.
I actually always wanted that.
This was used. Actually bought a guy from London.
Hey, Londoners. That's how we do it. We fully spec our cars,
Yeah,
not like these guys. They
Exactly.
don't do any.
Exactly. He spec'd it, done 5,000 miles, and they got rid of it because he takes his girlfriend to France every week. And a rear-wheel drive car wasn't suitable in the snow. I was so lucky getting a hold of this car. The dealership hadn't even put it up for sale, and I'd already come in
That
and bought
happened
it.
to me as well, you know that? I got it for not the retail price.
Trying to buy it?
10 quid.
Probably need it, mate.
Everyone's hanging a little bit for different reasons. I'm knackered because I had a problem with my car last night, and that got fixed early hours of the morning. And it's nice to see so many BMW people all together. Not a Mercedes in sight, which is nice. So,
Yeah, we'll go. He's getting my car tooled off again.
I'm sorry, but it's not allowed to have the engine running anymore.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. No, but for real, man, is that every time we go to a meet,
Yeah,
the London one, police were giving us hassle, yeah? Birmingham one, they said no burnouts, we did burnouts and hard revs. Ace CAF meets, same thing. You actually thought it was like legit. Just wanna go, enjoy my time with the crew. If you lot did enjoy this, please make sure to drop a big fat like, subscribe down below, and leave a comment too. And if you already forgot, please turn on your notifications so you can keep getting the good content. Also, check out my man right here,
DBTV.
How would you end this?
How would I end it? Right guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't mess about, drop a like, turn your notifications on, and make sure you subscribe for more. Peace.